this is Lisa with Inspire to Thrive, and I wanted to show you how you can make captions easily, quickly for social media. And I'm going to use this as an example, and I'm going to write Blogger, my favorite AI tool that is very affordable. And they have a lot of blogging tools, which I've shown in the past. They've got even SEO and social. And so the one I want to share today is the Instagram caption, how you can do Instagram captions. So this is the summary, and I'm going to go with creative on this particular one and see what type of summaries I will have. As you can see, it runs very quickly. And these are different captions that you can have. Now we can change this particular, we can edit and run again. And instead of creative, I am going to do something more persuasive. And here you go, you have some others. Isn't it fabulous if you're out of ideas exactly what to post? The best thing too with the right blogger is you can go back and see all of everything that you've done. I did a practice the other day, as you can see here. So you can always go back and see them. They're always there for you. And you just saw how quick it is to generate these captions. And if we go back to social tools, you can see there's other ones, but today I wanted to really show you that Instagram caption tool. I want to see if there's a way also, I'm going to do this, if you want to make longer ones. Let's see, sales-oriented. Let's do a sales-oriented one. So you can see how different the copy is with sales-oriented as well. And I want to see one other thing. If we put in more content, let's see. We will go see if we can find Instagram. Here we go. I'm just going to throw all this copy in here. And I want to see the difference, what we will get. It has to be under 400. Very good to know. So let's see how much we can get rid of. Here we go. And we're going to change this back to, I really like the creative option here on the tone. Nice. So as you can see, the more content you put in, the longer your captions can be. So I really love this feature. Fabulous feature. So again, it's the right blogger. The pricing on this is $29.99 a month. And you can do so much with these tools. And this Instagram caption tool, you saw how quick and easy it is to change up your captions so that you can get more creative with your Instagram posts. I hope you found this useful. Have a great day.